Select the burr detection tool from the measurement panel. An animated tooltip is shown demonstrating how to position the sample. When the burr detection tool is selected, the algorithm automatically detects the edge of the structure on the live image and counts and measures the detected burrs. When the stage is moved, the algorithm automatically updates the detection and measurements. The detected burrs are color-coded based on the user-defined threshold range. Burrs above the upper threshold are colored in red. Burrs between the lower and upper threshold are colored yellow to orange. Features below the lower threshold are not detected. The live image with annotations can be easily acquired and saved for later reporting and documentation.
If you have any questions or want to learn more, please reach out to us via the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. Thank you.